નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 9 subject social science chapter number 16. The name of the chapter is climate. Climate it means Abohava. First of all, dear children, we have to learn about the introduction part. Now, the climate is an average of the atmospherical condition over the long period. What they have given the dear children? They have given that climate is a one kind of the average atmospherical condition over the long period of the time. Generally, climate is determined from the average weather condition. How we have to determine the climate, dear children? We have to determine the climate from the average weather condition from summer, winter and the rainy season of the place for about 35 years or more. What they have given that? They have given that we have to determine the climate through the average weather condition of summer, winter and rainy season of place for about 35 years or more than 35 years. Climate is an average of the long term atmospherical condition. So dear children, that's why we can say that the climate is one kind of the average long term atmospherical condition is that. Now, weather is an average of the short term condition. Dear children, we remember the climate as well as the weather. Climate is a long term process. It means the long term atmospherical condition. While you have to learn weather, weather is an average of the short term condition of the atmosphere. One for the long term and second one for the short term. Weather can change at any time during the day. Dear children, you know very well that weather can change any time during the day. Change in weather condition depends on air temperature, air pressure, humidity, rain, fog or amount of clouds, etc. Now, what happens that how the changes is weather, then changes of the weather condition is depend on the air temperature, air pressure, humidity, rain, fog and amount of clouds. And we know very well that weather can change any time during the day. Weather affect our daily agriculture activity, and that's why, dear children, we can say that the agriculture activity was affected daily by the weather. Now, Indian Meteorological Department publish a daily weather map, and that's why, dear children, what happened that our Indian Meteorological Department publish a daily weather map and a report of the entire nation. Now, the India showing a large diversity and the characteristic in the climatical condition. That's why what happened that we can say that India show the large diversity as well as the characteristic in the climatical condition. Season change in some part of the earth according to the wind direction. What happened that, dear children? They say that now seasons are changes. We know very well that winter, summer, rainy seasons are there. So they say that the season changes in some part of the earth according to the wind direction. So the wind will change their direction according to the seasons are called the monsoons winds. What happened there? The wind will change the direction according to the season are called as a monsoon winds. These winds are so named after the Arabic word Mosina. India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Myanmar are the Asian country which experience the monsoon climate. Now, dear children, they have given the name of the nation where experience the monsoon climate. After, dear children, they have given about the information of the seasonal changes. And now we learn the seasonal changes occur due to the wind direction. Revolution of the earth around the sun and her axis tilt are the major reason for the changes in the season. Which are the major reasons for changes in the season? One is the revolution of the earth. You know very well that, dear children, in each standard you learn the two words. One is a revolution and second one is a rotation. So here they have given that the revolution of the earth around the sun. Suppose this is the sun, here earth, then earth is revolution around the sun, and her axial tilt are major reason for changes in the season. The axis of the earth is tilted at 23.5 degree and make an angle of the 66.5 degree. What happened there, dear children? Here the axis of the earth is tilted at which degree? 23.5 degree and make the angle of 66.5 degree with their orbit. Season are caused due to the axial tilt. Region receiving the more sunlight experience the summer. Dear children, you know very well that the region receive the more sunlight experience the summer season, while region receiving the less sunlight experience the winter season. Sun ray falls vertically over the Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December. What happened there? Sun rays falls vertically over the Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December. So the southern hemisphere experience the summer, and that's why what happened there, dear children? We can say that the southern hemisphere experience the summer, in the northern hemisphere experience the winter. Already the image of the picture they will be given in your textbook, dear children. You have to see very carefully. Night in India are longer and colder in the winter. What happened there, dear children? Nights in India are longer and colder in the winter. Similarly, the sun rays are vertical over the Tropic of Cancer on 21st June. So the days are longer. Now, the rotation and revolution of the earth have the direct impact on the food, clothes and the residents of the man. What happened there, dear children? Whatever the rotation as well as the revolution of earth have the direct impact on the food, clothes and resident of the man. In a monsoonal country like India, the winter, summer and monsoon wind will change the direction according to the seasons and affect the seasonal weather, give the peculiar characteristic to the weather of the every season. And that's why the climate is called as a monsoonal climate. And that's why what happened there, dear children? They have to say that this kind of the climate is called as a monsoonal climate. After, dear children, they have to given about the variation in the climates of the India. What they have to given there? They have to given about the variation in the climates of India. It means ભારતની આબોહવાની વિવિધતા. There are the many variations in the climates of the India. Dear children, you know very well that there are the many variations in the climates of the India. South India has a peninsular shape. We know very well that South India has a which kind of the shape? Peninsular shape. Hence, it experiences the moderate maritime climate. While the climate become more continuously while going away from the seashore. A large part of North India is away from the seashore. We know very well that the North India part, it means the upper part of the North India, is very far from the seashore. A large part of North India is away from the seashore. So, it experiences the continental climate. The Tropic of Cancer passes almost through the middle of the India. And we know very well that the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the India. Area of south fall in the torrid zone. What happened there? The area of the southern part fall into the torrid zone. While the area of the north, it means the area of the northern part, upper part, is falls into the temperature zone. As a result, there is a large difference in the temperature and the rainfall in the different part of the country. And that's why what happened there, dear children? Here there is a large difference between temperature and the rainfall in the different part of the country. Example, the temperature in Leh, Andhra, in the north in Kashmir is a low as -45 degree during the winter. Sri Gangasagar and Alwar in Rajasthan record 51 degrees Celsius high temperature during the summer season. So dear children, they have given the temperature difference between the Jammu and Kashmir area as well as they have given into the record of the Rajasthan. You have to see very carefully. Similarly, we can say that in Cherrapunji in Meghalaya, the East India gets about 1200 centimeter rainfall annually. How much? Cherrapunji is there, Meghalaya state is there, these 7 sisters of the India. Already I am explaining to the map. That's time we have to see that 1200 centimeter rainfall annually, which is the maximum in the world. Same way, Mosinaram about the 16 kilometer away. How much? 16 kilometer away from Cherrapunji is the famous for receiving the maximum rainfall during the 24 hours. In the west, the desert of the Rajasthan receive on west side. If you to see the desert area, the desert area only receive 10 to 12 centimeter rainfall annually, while in Cherrapunji and Meghalaya they have 1200 centimeter rainfall annually. Just you to see the difference. Now contradicting climatical conditions are seen in our country when one region have devastating the flood, the other faces the drought due to the intense heat and scanty and absence of the rainfall. So dear children, what happened then in our India, the different state, what happened then we are facing that one side we are facing the problem of flood and second side we are facing the problem of the drought. Some region face the devastating effect of thunderstorm, sandstorm and the tropical cyclone. The seasonal weather is diversified effect of, and that's why we can say that dear children, seasonal weather is the diversified effect. After dear children, they have given about the factor affecting the climate. What they have given? They have given the information of and that which factor affect the climate. It means આબોહવાને અસર કરતા પરિબળો. There are the some factor on the surface of the earth. Where dear children, they will say that there are the some factor on the surface of the earth which control the distribution and the amount of element of the climate. These are called as a climate factor. Which are the climate factor? Some factor on the surface of the earth, not interior of the earth. Where they will say about surface of the earth, which control the distribution and amount of the elements. Following factor are affect the climates of the India. Now first of all, which factor they have given? They have given about the latitude. Latitude, it means akshansha. Climatical type on the surface of the earth changes according to the latitude of the place concerned. What happened then? Climatical type on the surface of the earth changes according to the latitude of the place concerned. There is a distance about 111 km between two successive latitudes. How much dear children? Here there is a distance between 111 km between two successive latitudes. Sun rays fall vertically. Two lines is there. One is a horizontal, second one is a vertical. So here the sun ray falls the vertically over the equatorial region, hence it is very hot throughout the year. India is divided into two zones with the different climatical conditions. One is a torrid zone and second one is a temperature zone. What happened there, dear children? And that's why they have to given that the year the India is divided into two zones. One is a torrid zone and second one is a temperature zone. It means one is a Ushna-Katibandhiya and second one is a Samshitoshna-Katibandhiya. Second, they have given about the distance from sea. It means samudra thi antar. This is the second factor that affect the climate. The distance of the land mass from the sea is another important factor affect the climate. What they have to say? The distance of the land mass from the sea area is the another important factor affect the climate. Water and land have a different capacity to absorb and release the solar heat. What happened that dear children? Water and land have a different capacity to absorb as well as to release the solar heat. As a result, the coastal region experience the temperature climate. And that's why what happened there? Coastal region experience the temperature climate. Why? The climate become the conditioner in the interior place away from the sea coast. The climate of Mumbai in India is a temperature as it is near the sea coast. Why? It is the conditioner at Nagpur or Delhi, as these places are situated far away from the sea area. Next, they have given about the dear children, which one? Altitude. Which they have given? Altitude. Altitude, it means samudrni sapati thi unchai. Height, that is known as the altitude. As we go higher in the atmosphere from the sea level, what happens? As we go go the higher from the atmosphere from the sea level, air pressure and the air temperature decrease. What happened that air pressure, the air temperature was decreasing while we are going into the higher from atmosphere from the sea level. While higher relief gets more rain. Due to the high altitude, the Himalayas peak remain the snow covered throughout the year. Dear children, you know very well that in Jammu Kashmir area, the Himalayas peak remain the snow covered throughout the year. Most air cools down when it rises and leaves the rain. With increased the altitude of mountain in Meghalaya, the rainfall is increasing. Increase in general of the air temperature is decreased to 1 degree Celsius from the ascent of the 165 meter or by 6.5 degrees Celsius for an ascent of every 1000 meter from the surface of the earth. Next year children, they have given that the atmospherical pressure and the wind means વાતાવરણીય દબાણ અને winds it means પવન. India falls in the path of the northeast trade winds. What happened there, dear children? Where the India falls in the path of northeast trade winds. These winds are originated due to the tropical high pressure belt in the northern hemisphere. Which portion? In circle, you know very well that in the northern hemisphere, and already the image is given in your textbook, dear children. Belt in northern hemisphere. These winds deflect due to the Coriolis force and blow towards the equator. In past, these winds were utilized for oceanic trade, so they are called as trade winds. As these winds blow over the landmass, they contain the less moisture. The Indian Ocean is located to the south of the India. Dear children, you know very well that the Indian Ocean is located to the south of the India. Already in the map, dear children, we have to learn that. Suppose that example here, the India's map is there, where Arabian Sea is there, here Indian Ocean is there, and here the Bay of Bengal is there. And already we have to learn in the map also. So same way, as their winds blow over the land masses, they contain the less moisture. The Indian Ocean is located into the southern part of India. Arabian Sea, what in this direction, the Arabian Sea lies to the west. Arabian Sea lies to the west. In this direction, you have to see the Bay of Bengal in the east. Due to this vast water mass, the winds passes over the absorb the moisture and bring the rains in India. During the winter, high pressure develops to the north of the Himalaya. Cold and dry winds from this region blow toward the oceanic area where low pressure is created. During the summer, low pressure develops due to the high temperature over the Central Asia and the Indian masses. At that time, the high pressure prevailing over the Indian Ocean in the south, so winds tend to blow from the high pressure over the Indian Ocean and the low pressure into the North India. These winds are known as southwest monsoon winds, and that's why what happened that these winds are known as southwest monsoon winds, and they contain the moisture and bring the rains into the India. Sometimes a peculiar phenomena take place over the place located far from India, which create the temporary changes in the long-term climatical pattern. What happened there, dear children? We can say that sometimes some kind of the temporary changes in the long-term of the climatical pattern and phenomena like, and that's why they have given the phenomena like jet stream, western disturbance, El Nino, ITCJ have affected the Indian weather to a great extent. However, the monsoon characteristic of climate of India remain the unaffected, and that's why what happened that whatever the monsoon characteristic of climate of the India remain the unaffected. Thank you, dear children.
Thank you for joining us.